Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight from Standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.3 बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाइट या कवितेचा वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. Question number 1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. खाली दिलेली वाक्ये कवितेच्या सहाय्याने पूर्ण करा. A. The child wants to show small moons of light from ... Answer. The child wants to show small moons of light from the city to his village on the sides of the path. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of ... Answer. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. C. The child wants a basketful of moonlight on ... Answer. The child wants a basketful of moonlight on lawn. D. The child wants to light the dark route so that ... Answer. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. Next question. Question number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. खाली दिलेल्या नामांसाठी कवितेत वापरलेले वर्णन करणारे शब्द लिहा. Moons. Answer. Small moons. Next question. Route. Answer. Tough route. Next question. Village. Answer. Whole village. Next question. Morning. Answer. Early morning. Next question. Question number 3. The child in the poem wants to solve the problems of his village. या कवितेतील मुलाला त्याच्या गावाचे प्रश्न सोडवायचे आहेत. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? तर तो मुलगा खालील इच्छेच्या सहाय्याने त्याच्या गावच्या समस्यांचे निराकरण कसे करेल? Answer in your notebook. तुमच्या वहीमध्ये याचे उत्तर लिहा. Question A. Give me moonlight basketful or 2 basketful with seeds of moonlight. Answer. The above line suggests that the child wants to grow the moonlight so that it permanently solves the problem of the villagers. For that, the child can seek help of the local people and urge the government or local bodies to provide lights on the roads from the city to his village. Next question. Question B. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Answer. The above lines implies that the child wishes that his father and other villagers can return safe and early to their village. So the child, with the help of the villagers or government, build good roads and make the roads safe. Next question. Question number 4. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. कवितेतून खालील गोष्टी सिद्ध करणाऱ्या ओळी शोधा व लिहा. A. Father reaches home late after dark. Answer. When my father returns home, I am asleep. B. Eager to hear fairy tales from his father. Answer. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. C. Remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. Answer. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Next question. Question number 5. Write as many words as you can using FUL as suffix. मित्रांनो, FUL हे सफिक्स म्हणजेच अंत्यप्रत्यय वापरून जास्तीत जास्त शब्द लिहा. For example, basketful, bucketful. Answer. Handful, beautiful, careful, harmful, painful, sackful, useful, colorful, powerful, and rightful. Next question. Question number 6. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. या कवितेमधून alliteration म्हणजे अनुप्रास अलंकार व रिपिटेशन म्हणजे पुनरावृत्ती अलंकाराची उदाहरणे शोधून लिहा. ए. alliteration. alliteration म्हणजेच अनुप्रास अलंकाराची व्याख्या पहा. एखाद्या वाक्यात किंवा कवितेच्या चरणात एकाच अक्षराची पुनरावृत्ती होऊन त्यातील नादामुळे जेव्हा त्याला सौंदर्य प्राप्त होते तेव्हा alliteration म्हणजेच अनुप्रास अलंकार होतो. alliteration. Answer 1. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or 2 baskets full. या वाक्यामध्ये मून व मूनलाइट या शब्दामध्ये यम ह्या अक्षराची पुनरावृत्ती झालेली आहे. 2. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. या वाक्यामध्ये मून व मूनलाइट या शब्दामध्ये यम हे अक्षर पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरलेले आहे. 3. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. या वाक्यामध्ये sow, seeds आणि sides या शब्दामध्ये यस हे अक्षर पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरलेले आहे. बी. रिपिटेशन. रिपिटेशन म्हणजे पुनरावृत्ती अलंकार. जेव्हा एखाद्या वाक्यात एखादा शब्द किंवा वाक्यप्रचार यांची पुनरावृत्ती होते तेव्हा पुनरावृत्ती अलंकार होतो. Answer. I want to sow many small moons of light. या वाक्यामध्ये स्मॉल हा शब्द पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Write an appreciation of the poem. Refer to page number 5. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या पाठ्यपुस्तकातील पान क्रमांक 5 चा संदर्भ घेऊन या कवितेचे रसग्रहण करा. Answer. Appreciation of poem. Title. Basketful of Moonlight. The name of the poet Sunil Sharma. Rhyme scheme. The poem does not have a rhyme scheme and is written in free verse. Figure of speech. The figure of speech used in the poem are alliteration, antithesis, hyperbole and repetition. Theme or central idea. The central idea of the poem is the wish of a child to light up his village road using moonlight to make traveling easier for the people in the village and the expression of his love for his father. Next question. Question number 8. Write an imaginary letter to the moon to convey your feelings about it. Discuss about it with your partner and draft the letter using the poem as a basis for letter. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या भावना चंद्राला कळवण्यासाठी त्याला एक काल्पनिक पत्र लिहा. पत्राच्या मसुद्यासंबंधी तुमच्या मित्राशी चर्चा करा व खालील मुद्द्यांचा तुमच्या पत्रामध्ये वापर करा. सपोर्टिंग पॉइंट्स. ए. साइन ऑफ ब्यूटी. बी. सिम्बॉल ऑफ जॉय. सी. इन्फिनिट प्लेजर. and D. urge to compose poems or songs or music. Answer. Sandeep Patil, Main Road, Shahupuri, Kolhapur, July 21, 2022. Dear Sanduba, I am writing this letter to tell you that you are the symbol of love and beauty for children, grown-ups and for poets and writers. At night, you bring joy to the world by shining bright. Looking at you gives us a great heavenly joy. Your cool light gives us comfort and soothes our body and soul. Your cool light guides the travelers at night and gives infinite pleasure of walking in the beautiful light. Mothers always refer to you in the sweet lullabies to make their babies sleep. Your beauty inspires poets and musicians to compose songs. You always will be a treasurable part and parcel of our lives. Thank you for always being there with us. With lots of love, your loving Sandeep Patil. Next question. Question number 9. Discuss with your friend or brother or sister or your classmate and write your list of wishes to make your village or town or city people happy. मित्रांनो, तुमच्या मित्राशी, तुमच्या भावाशी किंवा तुमच्या बहिणीशी किंवा तुमच्या वर्गमित्राशी चर्चा करा आणि तुमच्या समाजाला आनंदी ठेवण्यासाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या गोष्टींची यादी तयार करा. You can use the following words आणि यामध्ये तुम्ही खालील शब्दांचा वापर करू शकता. Answer. My wishes to make our village happy are to maintain peace and order in the society, to make them aware of their sense of duty, to remove their beliefs in superstitions, to eradicate poverty, ignorance and illiteracy, to improve the conditions of poor farmers with aids, funds and full support during drought, to keep their surroundings clean and healthy, to fight against injustice, corruption and terrorism, to provide all the modern facilities like water supply, good roads, electricity and internet. Next question. Question number 10. Let's compose imaginary poetic lines. खाली दिलेल्या कवितेच्या काल्पनिक ओळी लिहा. Question. Sowing the seeds of moonlight. Answer. I shall sleep and wait them to grow. Next question. Traveling among stars in a galaxy. Answer. My dreams will put on a show. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.3 बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाइट या कवितेचा वर्कशॉप अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.